How to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Let's get started, everyone. You'll start by clicking on your profile picture. Now, go to these 3 lines here, click on the 3 lines, and then scroll down quite a bit, and look for this option, Account Type and Tools. Click on this option, and once you do, you'll see the option to switch to a professional account. You can click on it. When you make this change, you'll have access to other information. It's completely free. So you'll be able to see the number of views, which posts are getting the most attention, and if you run ads, and so on. Now, click on the next option. Here, you'll choose the category that best describes your profile. So you can click here and choose, alright, I'm going to click on this option here, Digital Creator, and then click here to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Wait a bit, it's processing this change. Now they're going to ask what type of account you want. You want a creator account, okay? That's the one for public figures, content creators, artists, influencers, or if you want a business account, meaning an account for those who have an organization, a store, and so on. In this case, I'll leave it as creator and click on the next option. They provide this information here, that when you make this change, they'll give you some tools to help you and your community stay safe on Instagram. You can click here. They ask if you want to receive promotional emails. I don't want to, so I'm going to uncheck this option and click Next. Here they give you the option to connect with your Facebook account to simplify your login, the way you access it. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click on Not Now. Here they give you some configuration options. There are 8 steps, okay? You can complete your profile by adding links, a website, and you can make other settings here. So you need to click on each one of them. If you want to start filling them out right away, you can, okay? So for example, you click here to complete your profile, fill in everything you need to, you can add a link, fill out your bio, and you just keep doing that for everything, clicking and filling it out. I'm going to finish up here and I'll be right back. And after you finish filling everything out, you'll see that the professional dashboard will appear here, and you can click on it to check it out. And that's how you switch to a professional account on Instagram.